Imagine a world where cats can be both alive and dead, particles can exist in two places at once, and time doesn't flow in one direction. Welcome to the strange world of quantum mechanics. A realm so bizarre and counterintuitive, it defies our everyday logic. It's like stepping through the looking glass into a world where the normal rules don't apply. Take Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a feline in a box is both alive and dead until observed. This is what we call superposition, a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics. And then there's quantum entanglement, where particles, no matter how far apart, seem to instantaneously affect each other. Time, too, behaves peculiarly, flowing not just forward but in all directions. Now you might be wondering, how does this bizarre quantum world relate to our everyday reality? Did you know that the natural world around us is a live demonstration of quantum mechanics in action? Let's embark on an exciting journey to explore some of the fascinating examples of quantum mechanics that can be observed in nature. First off, let's consider the humble leaf, the engine room of a plant. In this little green factory, a process called photosynthesis takes place. It's a process that converts sunlight into energy, and it happens so efficiently that it leaves our best human-made solar panels in the dust. But how? Quantum mechanics, that's how. In the heart of a leaf, sunlight-excited electrons take multiple paths simultaneously, finding the most efficient route to produce food. This is a quantum effect known as superposition in action. Now let's shift our gaze to the skies. Have you ever wondered how birds navigate vast distances with pinpoint accuracy during their migration? It turns out that birds might actually have a built-in quantum compass. Some research suggests that birds can see the Earth's magnetic field due to quantum entanglement, another peculiar quantum phenomenon in their eyes. Lastly, let's get a little introspective. Our own human sense of smell might also be an example of quantum mechanics at work. When you sniff a rose or a freshly baked pie, what you're actually detecting are different shapes of molecules. But how do our noses know the shape of these molecules? The answer might lie in quantum tunneling, where electrons can jump through walls to interact with these molecules and relay their shape back to our brain. Intriguing, isn't it? The more we delve into it, the more we realize that quantum mechanics isn't just a far-off theory, it's a part of our everyday world. We are all quantum beings, living in a world that's far more mysterious and magical than we could ever have imagined. So, does the quantum realm make sense to you now, or is it even more mysterious than before? We've explored the quantum realm, unraveling its intricate mysteries. We've seen how quantum mechanics, strange and elusive as it may seem, is stitched into the very fabric of our universe and the natural world. We've delved into how particles can exist in multiple places at once, how they can be both particles and waves, and how their state can change when observed. We've seen how these phenomena, as baffling as they are not just abstract theories but are visible in nature around us, from the photosynthesis in plants to the workings of our own eyes. Quantum mechanics is a puzzle, a paradox wrapped in an enigma. In the words of physicist Richard Feynman, if you think you understand quantum mechanics, you don't understand quantum mechanics. But isn't the journey of trying to understand it fascinating? If you agree, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mind-bending insights into our universe.